What careers requiring knowledge of gross anatomy? In today's fast-paced world, understanding human anatomy is more important than ever. Many people are curious about which careers requiring a solid grasp of gross anatomy. This knowledge is essential for diagnosing, treating, or studying bodily functions and diseases. Let's take a closer look at some key professions that relying on this expertise. Medical doctors and surgeons are at the forefront. They must have a thorough understanding of gross anatomy to perform surgeries and accurately diagnose physical conditions. Without this knowledge, their ability to treat patients effectively would be compromised. Next, we have dentists. Teaching and applying human gross anatomy is fundamental in dental education and practice. This is especially true for the head and neck regions, where precise anatomical knowledge is crucial for successful procedures. Radiologic and magnetic resonance imaging technologists also depend on detailed anatomical knowledge. These professionals use imaging equipment to capture images of the body. Their understanding of anatomy helps them interpret these images correctly, aiding in diagnosis and treatment planning. Veterinary technicians and zoological health workers focus on animal anatomy. However, a strong grasp of gross anatomy principles is important for providing species-specific care and performing medical procedures. Anatomists and academic professionals play a vital role in education and research. Those teaching or researching human gross anatomy in universities or medical schools requiring deep familiarity with body systems and organ functions. Their work shapes the next generation of healthcare professionals. Medical researchers also relying on gross anatomy knowledge. They conduct studies involving human physiology and anatomy. This knowledge is essential for designing and interpreting their research effectively. In summary, careers that requiring knowledge of gross anatomy share a common need to understand body systems and organ functions at a macroscopic level. This understanding supports clinical practice, education, research, and diagnostic imaging. As the healthcare field continues to evolve, the demand for professionals with a solid foundation in gross anatomy remains strong. If you are considering a career in any of these fields, a solid understanding of gross anatomy will be an essential part of your journey.